Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to solve this. We are given a bag of pet food which can feed 28 cats for 15 days. And we need to assume that each cat is the same amount of food each day. How long can this pet food last if 20 cats were adopted? The first thing to think about is, need to think. If I have lesser cats, can this same bag of pet food, we are now going to increase this pet food, can last for more days or less days? Yes, it can last for more days. Less and more, opposite direction. This is an inverse proportion question. Okay? Alright, so once we have established that, we are then able to solve this particular question. Because then 28 cats, the bag of food will last for 15 days. And because it's inverse, so if it is 1 cat, means I will need to divide by 28. Since it is inverse, the relationship will be opposite. If I times divide, I will have to times on the other side. So the bag of food will last for 420 days, 15 times 28. And now we just need to find 20. So here I will have to divide. And that's how I found it is 21 days. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.